We live on a planet bathed in sunlight, warmed by the steady fire of a nearby star. Yet just beyond the familiar, beyond the dance of the 8 planets, lies a frontier of darkness and cold. This is a realm seldom visited by human imagination, a shadowy ring encircling our sun, composed not of worlds, but of fragments. This vast expanse, known as the Kuiper Belt, stretches outward into the cosmic abyss like a great frozen river, winding through the outer reaches of our solar system. The Kuiper Belt is an echo of creation, a repository of ancient ice and rock, relics from the dawn of the sun's formation. It is a place where time stands still, where the solar wind fades, and the sun's light dwindles to a faint glimmer. Here, beyond the grasp of warmth, the past whispers its secrets in the language of ice and dust. As we journey outward, past the gas giants and their majestic rings, past Neptune's cold blue horizon, we step into this region where gravity rules differently, where remnants of the solar system's birth lie scattered like cosmic breadcrumbs, waiting to be followed. The Kuiper Belt is far more than a barren debris field. It is a cosmic time capsule, a frozen archive preserving the raw materials from which planets, moons, and even life itself may have sprung. Each object within this belt, whether a tiny chunk of ice or a dwarf planet hundreds of kilometers wide, holds clues about the early solar nebula. Unlike the terrestrial worlds, where geological and atmospheric processes have erased much of the primordial record, Kuiper Belt objects remain largely unchanged, locked away in a deep freeze. Their surfaces tell stories of chemical reactions, cosmic radiation, and collisions billions of years ago. Studying these objects offers us a unique glimpse into the conditions that shaped our neighborhood and shaped the very essence of what life on Earth might be. In essence, the Kuiper Belt is not merely a region of space. It is a memory palace, preserving the first sketches of a cosmic masterpiece that continues to unfold. The solar system's formation was a turbulent symphony of dust and gas, gravity and motion. As the young sun ignited, its surroundings began to coalesce into a swirling disk, the protoplanetary nebula. In this vast, spinning canvas, material collided and clumped together, forming the seeds of planets. Closer to the sun, heat and pressure drove rapid growth, forging rocky worlds like Earth and Mars. But far beyond, the cold reigned supreme. Ices of methane, ammonia, and water solidified, and gravity struggled to pull these frozen fragments into larger bodies. Giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn formed first, their immense gravity shaping the environment. As Uranus and Neptune migrated outward, they scattered smaller objects into distant orbits, carving out the Kuiper Belt as a vast reservoir of leftover material. This region is thus a relic of a violent history, one marked by migrations, collisions, and the gravitational chaos that defined our solar system's adolescence. To understand the Kuiper Belt is to understand the cosmic dance that gave birth to planets, moons, and ultimately, the cradle of life. For much of the 20th century, Pluto was our solitary envoy from the outer solar system, a distant, enigmatic point of light beyond Neptune. For many, it was the 9th planet, the final frontier of our planetary family. But as telescopes grew more powerful, astronomers discovered other icy bodies similar in size and composition, lurking in the depths beyond Neptune. This led to a profound shift in perspective, culminating in Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet, a member of a larger Kuiper Belt community. Pluto is no longer alone. It has siblings: Haumea, Makemake, Eris, worlds as fascinating and mysterious as any planet. Their orbits, their surfaces, their tenuous atmospheres challenge our notions of what a planet is and how planetary systems evolve. Pluto's rich geology, vast nitrogen glaciers, towering water ice mountains, and subtle atmospheric cycles, reveals a world of surprising complexity. Its discovery opened a new chapter in exploration, inviting us to rethink what we know about the solar system's edge. In 2015, the New Horizons spacecraft completed humanity's first close encounter with Pluto. Traveling billions of kilometers over nearly a decade, it unveiled an alien landscape rich in detail and wonder. From icy plains shaped like hearts to towering mountains sculpted from water ice, Pluto's surface told a story of ongoing change, a dynamic world in a frozen environment. New Horizons journeyed farther still, reaching Arrokoth, a distant Kuiper Belt object shaped like two gently fused spheres. This contact binary provided invaluable insights into the gentle processes that dominated early planet formation, processes far less violent than previously imagined. Each image transmitted back was a triumph, a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and our longing to touch the unknown. Comets are the wandering storytellers of the solar system, often born in the Kuiper Belt before being sent hurtling toward the sun. When these icy nomads enter the inner solar system, they transform, sublimating, shedding gas and dust, revealing their ancient makeup in spectacular tales that stretch millions of kilometers. They carry with them primordial ingredients, possibly delivering water and organic molecules to the young Earth. In this way, the Kuiper Belt is more than a distant archive. It is a fountainhead of life's essential components. Comets remind us that the solar system is interconnected, that the outer reaches influence the inner worlds in profound ways. Amid the ordered orbits of the Kuiper Belt, anomalies appear. A subtle gravitational pull, patterns in the orbits of distant objects, hint at an unseen presence. Astronomers theorize a ninth planet, a massive, distant world lurking far beyond Neptune's orbit, its gravity shaping the dynamics of the belt. Though unseen, its influence resonates, a shadow in the cosmic ballet, teasing us with the possibility that our solar system is larger and more complex than once thought. The search for Planet 9 is a journey of patience and persistence, a quest that exemplifies humanity's relentless pursuit of knowledge. The Kuiper Belt is just one layer of the solar system's vast architecture. Beyond it lies the scattered disk, a chaotic zone of icy bodies flung into elongated orbits by Neptune's gravity. Further still lies the hypothesized Oort cloud, a spherical shell of trillions of icy bodies that form the outermost boundary of our sun's influence. Though we have yet to observe the Oort cloud directly, its existence is inferred through the behavior of long-period comets, rare visitors whose origins lie in these distant shadows. Together, these regions form a cosmic shield and a reservoir, marking the limits of the sun's reach and the gateway to interstellar space. The Kuiper Belt is a mirror, reflecting the story of our solar system's birth and evolution. It is a silent witness to the forces that shaped the planets and seeded life. In this frozen realm, we glimpse the past, not as a distant, inert memory, but as an active, living chronicle waiting to be deciphered. As we push the boundaries of exploration, we are reminded of our own smallness and our profound curiosity. The Kuiper Belt invites us to wonder, what secrets lie in the cold dark? What stories remain untold? It is a cosmic library of ice and stone, an endless journey for the mind and the spirit. The universe beckons, the Kuiper Belt calls, and we must answer.